In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the checkout page on WooCommerce, whether you're looking to customize your customer's experience or ensure that your checkout page functions seamlessly. This guide will walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. To begin with, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your WordPress site and everything related to WooCommerce. If you're not familiar, you'll typically find the dashboard by logging into your WordPress website and looking for the main menu on the left-hand side. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area because it's a crucial part of managing your online store. Next, you'll want to select WooCommerce from the menu options. WooCommerce is the powerful plugin that turns your WordPress site into a fully functional online store. Clicking on WooCommerce in the dashboard gives you access to all its features and settings, which will be key in customizing your checkout page. Once you're in the WooCommerce area, look for the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new menu of options. Here you'll want to click on Advanced, and within the Advanced settings, you'll see an option for Page Setup. This is where you manage the essential pages that WooCommerce uses, like the shop, cart, and of course the checkout page. Now, it's critical to confirm that your checkout page is set correctly. This involves checking the settings to ensure your designated checkout page is linked appropriately. If the wrong page is set here, your customers could end up lost or confused, impacting their shopping experience. With that checked, proceed to open the checkout page itself. You can do this straight from your WordPress pages section, where all your pages are listed. Locate your checkout page from the list and open it. This step is about preparing the page for editing so we can customize it according to your needs. To start editing, you have a choice depending on your preferred tool. You can click Edit with Gutenberg if you're comfortable with WordPress's default block editor, or choose Edit with Elementor if you prefer a more visual and flexible editing experience. Both editors provide great tools for modifying pages, but Elementor might be preferable for those wanting more design freedom without needing extensive HTML knowledge. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to start tailoring your WooCommerce checkout page to benefit your brand and provide your customers with a smooth checkout experience. Experiment with the elements, text, and styles to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, successful customization can lead to higher conversion rates and happier customers.